Okay, now we're going to be talking about some properties of complex numbers. So one property that we have is called the additive inverse. So unlike the conjugate, now both of the signs change. So we're going from, here's my highlighter, a plus bi to negative a minus bi. So both the signs change. If we had something like 4 minus 2i, the additive inverse of that would be negative 4 plus 2i. For multiplicative inverses, we have the reciprocal of this guy. So we just put 1 over that whole thing, and that's a multiplicative inverse. We're taking the reciprocal. Okay, so if we were to find the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of this term, negative 4 plus 7i, the additive, we're just switching the signs, so that negative 4 would become a positive 4, and that plus 7 would become minus 7i. And for our multiplicative, well, we're just putting 1 over negative 4 plus 7i, except the catch is we can't have a I in the denominator. Remember, we just talked about how that we do not like that in math. So what we would have to do here is now multiply by the conjugate of this denominator. So the conjugate of negative 4 plus 7i is negative 4 minus 7i. We just change the sign in the middle. Multiply that to the top and the bottom. Distributing, our numerator would just stay negative 4 minus 7i, and our denominator, we multiply the first terms together, this would be 16, and the last terms together, this would be negative 49i squared, which would come out to negative 4 minus 7i all over 16 plus 49, which is 65. And then we are going to separate that, so that is going to give us negative 4 over 65 minus 7i over 65, and I don't think that either of these fractions reduce, so that would be our final answer.